How to fix you need official WhatsApp error on Android. This tutorial shows you how to resolve WhatsApp installation and login issues. First, this error appears when WhatsApp detects you're using an unofficial or modified version of the app. Next, open the Settings app on your Android device. Following that, scroll down and tap on Apps to view all installed applications. Now, find WhatsApp in the app list and tap on it. Moving forward, tap on Uninstall to remove the current version from your device. Afterwards, confirm the uninstallation by tapping OK or Uninstall. In addition to that, make sure to back up your chats before uninstalling if you haven't already. Once there, open the Google Play Store on your device. Subsequently, search for WhatsApp Messenger in the search bar. Moreover, make sure it's the official WhatsApp by WhatsApp LLC. Afterwards, tap Install to download the official version from the Play Store. Then, wait for the installation to complete. Within a few moments, WhatsApp will be installed on your device. Alternatively, open WhatsApp and verify your phone number. Once verified, you'll be prompted to restore your chat backup from Google Drive. Then tap Restore to recover all your messages and media. And that's it. If this official WhatsApp fix helped you resolve the error, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp troubleshooting guides, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.